When it comes to improving a home, windows are often overlooked until they become a problem. Yet for many homeowners in Ferndale, upgrading to vinyl windows has become a smart investment that offers both comfort and long-term value. From energy savings to low maintenance, vinyl windows have proven themselves as one of the best options for modern homes. Here's why more and more Ferndale residents are making the switch. Energy efficiency that pays off. Ferndale experiences a mix of chilly winters and warm summers, which makes energy efficiency a top priority for local homeowners. Vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass options that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means less heat escapes during winter and less cool air is lost during summer, reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. Over time, those monthly energy bill savings add up. Many homeowners see vinyl windows as a way to not only improve comfort but also offset installation costs through reduced utility expenses. Low maintenance, high durability. One of the biggest appeals of vinyl windows is their durability. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't warp, rot, or need constant repainting. Unlike aluminum, it doesn't corrode or attract condensation. Homeowners in Ferndale appreciate that once vinyl windows are installed, they require little more than an occasional cleaning with soap and water. This low maintenance advantage frees up time and reduces long-term upkeep costs. For busy families or those who simply want a stress-free solution, vinyl windows are an ideal choice. Lasting beauty and versatility. Modern vinyl windows aren't just practical, they also look great. Manufacturers now offer vinyl in a wide range of colors, finishes, and styles, making it easy to match any home design. Whether your Ferndale home has a classic bungalow look or a more contemporary style, vinyl windows can be customized to fit seamlessly. The color is baked into the material, so it won't peel or fade easily over time. This ensures curb appeal and resale value stay strong for years to come. Cost-effective without sacrificing quality. Home renovations can quickly become expensive, but vinyl windows are known for their cost-effectiveness. Compared to wood or fiberglass, vinyl offers a more budget-friendly upfront price while still providing excellent performance. For homeowners looking to balance affordability with long-term value, vinyl windows are an investment that delivers on both fronts. In a competitive housing market like Ferndale's, these windows also boost property appeal, giving homeowners an advantage when it comes time to sell. Noise reduction and comfort. Another benefit that many Ferndale homeowners notice after switching to vinyl windows is how much quieter their homes become. High-quality vinyl windows with insulated glass can help block outside noise, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or general city sounds. This creates a calmer indoor environment, enhancing comfort and livability. And eco-friendly choice. Vinyl windows not only reduce energy consumption but are also recyclable. By choosing them, Ferndale homeowners can lower their environmental impact while enjoying the comfort and savings that come with energy efficiency. For those focused on sustainability, vinyl provides a balance of practicality and eco-conscious living. The bottom line: lasting value for Ferndale homes. When you add up all the advantages, energy efficiency, low maintenance, durability, aesthetic appeal, affordability, and comfort, it's clear why vinyl windows are the go-to choice for Ferndale homeowners. They offer immediate benefits in reduced energy costs and improved comfort while delivering lasting value through durability and curb appeal. For residents who want a smart investment that enhances both lifestyle and home value, vinyl windows have become more than just an upgrade. They're the standard for modern living in Ferndale.